How to fix an E9 error message on the HP Envy 6000E and 6400E printer series. If you're experiencing an issue with your printer where the cancel and resume lights are blinking and an alternating E and 9 are displaying on the control panel, follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Place the printer in setup mode. Open the access door. At the same time, press and hold both the Wi-Fi button and the power button on the back of the printer for 5 seconds. Close the ink access door. Wait 2 to 3 minutes while the printer powers on. The E9 error message continues to display. Step 2. Complete printer setup through the HP Smart App. On the HP Smart App, select the previously set up printer and then select Hide Printer. Select Add Printer. Wait while your printer is discovered again by the app. Once the printer is found, follow the prompts to connect the printer to your wireless network. When prompted, press the information button on the printer to confirm your proximity to the printer. Once the printer is connected to the network, continue to follow the prompts to continue with the setup process. HP Smart displays that HP Plus is being activated on your printer. At this point, the E9 error message will disappear from the printer control panel. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the setup process. The HP Smart app will return to the main screen and display your HP Envy printer in a ready state. The E9 error is now fixed and your printer is ready for use. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.